Imagine factories run by intelligent machines that learn and adapt. Could AI-powered robots be the key to a more efficient and sustainable future? In recent years, AI-powered robots have changed traditional manufacturing by introducing new methods that promise to transform the industry. This narrative examines how these changes impact efficiency, productivity, and the workforce globally. From predictive maintenance to smart automation, AI is redefining roles, reducing errors, and unlocking new levels of scalability and innovation. AI robots can operate non-stop, speeding up production and minimizing downtime. They handle complex tasks easily, keeping factories productive. Enhanced accuracy and precision, AI robots don't make human mistakes, leading to high-quality products with few defects. They perform detailed tasks with greater precision than humans. Improved safety in the workplace. By taking on dangerous or repetitive jobs, AI robots enhance worker safety and reduce injuries. They excel in hazardous settings, preventing accidents and ensuring safer conditions. The shift begins manufacturing, long dependent on manual labor and basic machines, has driven economic growth. Post-industrial revolution, demand for goods grew, but operations stayed centered on humans doing repetitive tasks. AI robotics now shift this to autonomous systems tackling complex processes without humans. Cutting-edge presentation at a top tech expo, a modern factory model shows AI's role in manufacturing. Robots with advanced sensors and algorithms handle tasks like welding, assembling, and quality control with ease. An efficiency comparison comparing AI robots to traditional methods shows their superior efficiency. While human workers tire and are error-prone, robots work tirelessly with consistent accuracy. Their operations are supported by real-time data analytics for minimal downtime and optimized output. AI creates a large boost in productivity, ensuring continuous production flow that alters market supply. As robots take over human tasks, worries about job loss and economic disruption surface. This shift needs a reassessment of workforce roles and potential reskilling. Ethical considerations, concerns about AI decision-making, bias, and misuse must be tackled. Companies must handle ethical issues to ensure trust and transparency. Integration and cost, adding robots to existing systems can be complex and costly, challenging some businesses. Strategies for easy integration and cost management are vital for adoption. The rise of AI robots fuels debate. Will they replace human jobs or create new roles in tech and oversight? While concerns grow, these robots cut costs and boost profits by operating 24/7, reshaping both the economy and job market dynamics. Ethical questions. Increasing AI use raises ethical issues about accountability and control. Who's responsible for errors in autonomous systems? It also brings up data privacy and misuse concerns. AI-powered robots are leading the fourth industrial revolution, transforming manufacturing with speed, precision, and efficiency. While job loss and ethics spark concern, the future holds promise through innovation, productivity gains, and the need for workforce reskilling. From smarter supply chains to global collaboration, AI's impact on manufacturing is limitless. Adaptation and learning are key to thriving in this era. Like, share, and subscribe to AIVeda for more tech insights. Drop your thoughts in the comments and stay future ready with #AIVeda.